Hello, welcome back to one of my Gaming with Jacob videos. Today, I'm playing the Newb Train. So, play. Yes, I know how to play. Alright. Oh, that's better. It's better speed. So, speed, jump power. Oh yeah, there's a max height. So you see there it's walk speed. So that's how fast I'm going. And jump power is, that's how high I can go. So how many noobs do I want? Let's start with 20. I'll just give you a little thing of how to learn. So this time there's like a bug with the game. It's like you spawn 20 noobs and they're supposed to follow you around. But this time they just like, look, if I do 20, okay. But look. You're gonna hit the wall. Look, you're gonna hit the wall. And then we're gonna go there. So about that though, once I just press forward, okay, they're all done over there, it's good. But once I press forward, look. I just pushed forward, and look at all the stuff they're doing. I even jump up high. We know it is kind of cool. If you go into trails, I think I might do it yellow. Alright, that should be better. And if you go into noob size, height, yes, white, depth, head, okay. Oh. Look at all the yellows. Wait. 0. That's good now. Good. It's all good. Then, what about, okay, this is a clear section. Alright, I'm gonna do 9. That would be so much news. It won't let me zoom out any further. Aww. But look, Link. Look, now I start jumping. It's like whenever I walk, they all walk, but I'm pretty sure they're supposed to follow me, but they don't want to follow me. Look at all the yellows. None have made it to me yet. Oh, they're going through me. Hey, stop going through me. Alright. Oh, shh. Wait, what about if I do 0? It doesn't do it as 1. Okay. Uh-oh, they're gonna hit that. What? So normally, last time I played this, they hit that and then they go crazy. Yep. Alright. Yeah, you see they just did something and they, alright, I'm done. Oh my gosh. Look how yellow it is. Ow, 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 ow. Got knocked over. Alright, that's it for this video. If you want to see any more, stay tuned for the next video.